Okay, this video is to multiply a 3 by 2 digit. It's very similar to multiplying a 2 by 2 digit, but in this recent week, we've had an amazing strategy that was brought to us by one of our own students in my classroom. I thought that was awesome. So I wanted to share that with the rest of us, and we've been practicing this in the classroom, so I wanted to share it online as well. Now, just like a 3 by 1 digit or 3 digits times a 1 digit, we're going to start by multiplying our 3 times a 6. Now, I'm just going to pretend this 2 is not here. I'm going to pretend he's not there, and I'm going to focus on what needs to be focused on. So like I say in the classroom, this down here is a boy who's at a dance, and he wants to dance with all the girls in the top row. All these numbers here, we're going to pretend they're girls, and this boy wants to dance with one girl at a time. So first, the 3 times the 6 will be danced. We'll dance together. 3 times 6, 18. Carry your 1. Then I'm going to have 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1 is 22. Carry my 2. And then I'm going to have 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, now, when we do this next step, it can be a little difficult if we're not sure what we're taking out. Now, if this were a 2 by 2 digit number, the kids will know we're going to kill the number, bury it, and destroy any evidence. But now we're going to put our problem on hold. We're not done with it, so we're going to put it on hold. I'm going to pull the second part out. I'm going to pull it out and work on it over here. So my number on the top stays the same. And that 2 at the bottom that we had crossed out, we're going to take this one out over here and we're going to put it on the far right. Now I'm going to multiply this again, just like any other problem. 6 times 2 is going to give me 12, carry my 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. And 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now this answer, we're going to take it right on back from where it came from. This is what we pulled out, so this is what we need to bring back in. Make sure you're not bringing this one to this one over here. That's not going to give you the right answer. What you pulled out has to go back in. So I'm going to start by putting my 2 down first, under my 2. My next digit was a 5, so I'm going to put down my 5 under the 1. And my last digit to the left was a 7, so I'm going to put my 7 down. And I'm just going to finish it up by adding these 2 partial products together. So I have 8, 4, 6, 8.